What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0239, down 0.5 on the day. Seeing market cap at 518 million, 24-hour volume 90 million. So a little bit of a swift drop. Could be that we already put in the wave C with that quick drop there. Now it really depends if we come down and fill this wick, but this is the wave 2 reversal zone. So if we were to push up from here, then the wave 2 may already be complete. But let me go to the 30-minute time frame and see if we could get like a tiny micro count. Yeah, not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. Those micro counts can be inaccurate, but this is our pullback zone. So if we can bounce from here, then the wave 2 may already be in, but if we come down, we fill this wick, then just look for a bounce in between 0.0197 and 0.0225 for the wave 2, leading diagonal wave 1, wave 2 pullback continuation. Daily chart, just consolidating underneath the EMAs. So what we want to see, as mentioned in yesterday's video, is we hold the pullback and we see continuation to the upside. Hopefully, that's what we're looking for our friend Gala. Just a quick little update. Watch my Bitcoin video to know why we saw that swift drop. With the Jerome Powell news, we are currently in 4 trades right now. You can get a 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget. That's where I do the majority of my trading. Email me or sign up email after you make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. And I will give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. We're in 4 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, auto, all plays. Forex signals and analysis as well. And if you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.